Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. I'm Juliana. So today we're making oatmeal pancake. Yeah, we're using oatmeal today to make pancake. So I measure these two quarter cup of oats meal and I put it in the blender. I'm gonna blend this till it looks like a powder and it's soft and there is no lump in it. So just watch as I do this. So I continue to blend the oatmeal until it's soft and it forms a powder consistency like. Then I'm gonna pour it in a bowl. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning back to my channel. And this is Juliana and you're watching Juliana Cooking Channel. If you joining me for the very first time, I want to say thank you for tuning into my channel today. And I want you to subscribe to this channel. So apparently I just poured in milk into the oatmeal in the blender cup and I covered it and I'll be blending it right now until everything is soft. This milk, I'm pouring it gradually. I don't want to pour a whole lot of milk so it's not too soft, and I don't want it to be too thick. So as I blend along, I continue to put in milk so that I could obtain a smooth and consistent texture. So if you're joining me for the very first time, welcome to this channel. We have a community. I want you to join our community, an interesting community where we communicate with each other, we share recipe and recipe ideas. So I just added more milk and I'm about to blend it again. While I'm blending it, I'm adding milk. While I'm blending it, I'm adding more milk until I obtain the texture. When I mean the texture, the exact texture I want. So do well to subscribe to this channel. I want you to give this channel a thumbs up. I want you to share this video to as many people as you could. Share to your WhatsApp group, Instagram account, TikTok account, Facebook account. Share this video to as many people as you could. You're most welcome to do that. I would like you to hit the notification button, meaning that whenever I upload any video, you definitely be one of the first people to see the video. So you can see it's a very soft and it's a very smooth texture right now. So I'm adding in my egg. I added 2 eggs and I'm gonna be blending it again until the egg is properly mixed and well blended in the oatmeal. Once again, we're making oatmeal pancake. Instead of making the pancake with the regular flour, today I'm using the oatmeal, blended oatmeal to make a pancake. This is a very healthy meal breakfast for the family, and it's quick and it's fast. It doesn't take too much time. So I'm putting in pepper because I want to have this pepperish taste when I'm eating the oatmeal. It's optional. You can decide to put pepper. If you don't want to put pepper, it's still okay. But I decided to put pepper. And here I'm putting in condensed milk because I wanted to have this sweet taste. So I just added in tablespoon of condensed milk. You could add 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, depending on how sweet you want your oatmeal pancake to taste. So I'll be blending everything together. So right now I'm done blending the oatmeal. You see how soft it is. So I'm pouring it in a bowl right now. After pouring it in a bowl, I'll begin to make preparation to fry the pancake. I'm putting in some oil on the pot. Okay, right now I'm frying the pancake right now. Our oatmeal pancake. You fry until you obtain a brown color. Then you know the oatmeal is done. The pancake is done. So you continue to do this until you finish frying everything. You try to put the quantity you want in a pot. If you want a larger pancake, you put a larger quantity. If you want a medium sized pancake, you put a medium quantity. If you want a smaller size pancake, you put a smaller quantity. Any quantity you put in the pot, that's what you get in return as a pancake. So here I'm putting in a medium size quantity of the blended oatmeal. So that's why I'm getting this size of pancake. And again, I'm frying this on a very low heat. I don't want it to get burnt. I want it to fry and well cooked. If the heat is so high, it's just gonna get burnt and the inside is not gonna be well cooked. So I put this heat on a very low temperature so that when it's frying it could go right inside and it will be well done inside. So that's why it's taking a longer time. So guys, if you watch up until this moment and you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to subscribe to my video and I want you to hit the notification button. I want you to give this video a huge thumbs up. I also want you to hit the notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you will definitely be the first to get notification about my video. I also want you to share this video. You're free to share this video to as many people as you want to. Share to your WhatsApp group, share to your Instagram account, share to your TikTok account, share to your Facebook account. Yeah, share the video to everybody. All right, so our pancake is ready. I garnish it with some strawberry and this is it. It's looking good. This is our red grapes, strawberry, and here is the pancake, the oatmeal pancake, and I'm adding my syrup right now to the pancake. So this is our pancake. Yeah, this is looking delicious already. So guys, thank you for watching.